Hello everyone, Chef Stas again here. We keep cooking from home, we keep cooking cherries, but today I would like to show you a savory recipe. So I'll make pork because pork is so delicious here in Bulgaria, and we'll make a cherry sauce. It is so good, just trust me. If you don't follow me, I'll show you in the video how to make it. Let's go. In the beginning, let's turn garlic into paste. Peel 2 cloves. Chop. Then, using side of the blade, smash it into paste. Set aside. Season pork chops with salt and pepper. Rub with half of the garlic paste and leave it to marinate for 10 minutes. Take needles from rosemary sprigs and chop it fine. In the saucepan, reduce 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar until almost dry. Add 2 cups of pilted cherries, rest of the garlic paste, chopped rosemary, 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix well and leave it on low heat. Meanwhile, cook pork chops on moderate heat in a frying pan. Don't let garlic paste to burn. Leave the meat when necessary. The goal is to have nice golden crust outside and 150 Fahrenheit or 65 Celsius inside if you have a thermometer. When meat is ready, let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes and add juices from the pan to the sauce. Reduce the sauce until thick. Balance the taste by adding more salt or honey. And the dish is ready. Tasty and juicy meat with sweet and sour sauce full of aromatic berries. Bon appetit! This pork was really delicious, we had a beautiful dinner and the sauce is a bomb. I highly recommend it with any kind of meat. The duck is also very good with it. Trust me, it's a nice sauce. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the future videos. Have a good one.